So now that my oven is really hot and I'm cooking myself a cauliflower pizza, I want to show you this pizza steel. This was gifted to me from the brand, but as always, I will give my honest review. So what I love about a pizza steel instead of a stone is that it actually heats up a lot faster. So you're gonna get a more like intense heat without having to run your oven. And especially now, I'm not really wanting to run my oven forever, but the steel too, it's super easy to clean. It really heats up. As you can see too, I just put the pizza in and it's already going. So as you can see, the steel is super easy to clean. It's really thick. It's about, forget the 1/4 inch thick. And there's even a holder. Obviously, I'm not going to take it out, but it will create a super crispy like crust on the bottom and just give it an overall evening of heat. The other thing I love to do is I just love to keep the steel in my oven because it actually will help like even out the heat throughout my oven and like keep the heat in. So if you're looking for a pizza steel, this is one you need.